In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted notes in Evernote Desktop. If you've accidentally removed a note, don't worry, the desktop app keeps deleted items in a safe place, so you can bring them back in just a few clicks. Start by opening Evernote on your computer. Once the app is up, look to the left sidebar. If your sidebar is minimized, hover to expand it. Find the section labeled More. This expands additional views that aren't shown by default. Click More, and then choose Trash. Trash is where Evernote stores notes you've deleted from notebooks. They stay here until you empty the trash, and depending on your plan and settings, they may be purged after some time, so it's best to recover items as soon as you notice they're missing. Inside Trash, browse the list of deleted notes. You can use the search bar to narrow things down, or sort by updated to surface the most recent changes. Click a note to preview its content on the right so you're sure you've got the right one. If you need to bring back several notes at once, select the first, then hold Shift or Control or Command to add more to your selection. This won't restore them yet, it just gets them ready for the next action. With the note or notes selected, go to the top right of the note viewer and click the three-dot More Actions button. From the menu, choose Restore Note. Evernote will move the note out of Trash and back to its original notebook. If that notebook no longer exists, the note typically returns to your default notebook. So check there. Give the app a moment to sync, especially if you use Evernote on multiple devices. To confirm the recovery, switch to All Notes or open the original notebook and look for the restored item. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing or using the search field. That's it. By going to More, opening Trash, selecting your item, and choosing Restore Note, you can quickly recover deleted notes in Evernote Desktop.